Wait, no, you can
don't
go.
do that yet. You go like, more like, you gotta do the whole story.
Yeah.
Ready yet?
Hold on, you gotta stop
recording?
laughing. Yeah. It does it.
I didn't know that.
Sorry, but why you laugh?
I did it. I'm sorry.
I just saw him get hit by a car.
Okay. Okay, Joey, we're already at 30 seconds. So I keep like moving this
Why are
around.
you recording it?
Because I'm waiting.
Okay, restart the
I'm
recording.
not gonna restart. I'll just trim it down.
All right, come on. We don't want these. We don't want too much bloopers.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, that noise was really funny.
Okay, so.
All right, calm down. Seriously.
Okay, so.
I hate pants like that where it looks like you have a white spot where that comes across.
Stop laughing.
Sorry.
Oh, and you're making fun of my laugh.
You sound like a crow.
Okay, shut up.
Okay, so. Okay, so.
Sorry. He's looking at the camera. He's looking at me. I'm sorry. He looked at me and I just started laughing. Hi, Henry.
We can't do this, can we?
We can do this. No.
Okay, so at school, some random girl touched my cheek, and there was some random 7th grade girl, and all I was like,
You get it?
Look towards the camera.
Yeah, look towards the camera.